Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping on Mount Mingus right next to Jerome, Arizona, and it is time to try some street noodles, ready ramen, pad thai flavored ramen noodles. Let's read absolutely everything on this box. Look at those ingredients, the nutrition label, teriyaki, pad thai, kung pao, no refrigeration required, no water required. Holy guacamole, this stuff has 13 grams of protein in it. That's actually pretty crazy. I did not think that noodles had that much protein in it. And the directions are super easy. You just open it up, put everything back inside, and microwave it for 2 minutes. So inside of it, there's a little packet of noodles that are already pretty much soft. You just have to cook them a little bit longer. And then a packet of sauce. The sauce did not look very good in the bag, but once you got it on the nudes, it looked good. And this stuff tasted really good, but pardon the weird face, it just didn't scream pad thai to me. I don't know what I was expecting, but I did not get it from this. It was delicious. The sauce was sweet and sticky, very umami-y, but I don't know. It just didn't make me think of pad thai. The noodles didn't make me think of pad thai. The sauce didn't make me think of pad thai, but it was delicious. You should still go try to find it. It's kind of bougie. I think it was like $3.99 at Home Goods. But it's definitely worth a try. I mean, trying new food is fun. Zena definitely wants to let you know, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do.